Don't let go.
Sa loob ng 11 years natin ng pagsasama, tuluyan nating nakilala ang isa't isa. Marami na rin tayong pinagdaanan na nagpatibay at nagpatunay sa wagas nating pagmamahal sa isa't isa.
There ain't no love like our love.
Hi babe, here we are, officially husband and wife. After 11 years and 2 months, I am now an orgonyo. My wish for us is to be stronger and to have more patience. I can definitely say now, road to forever.
Falling in will blur the lines and drown the fear of losing time. Wake up in the field when the morning comes.
Naalala mo ba nung first time mo nakita ang babaeng ito kasama ng nanay niya? Nag-a-apply sa school, sa college. At nung unang mo siyang nakita, doon pa lang alam mo na iba na ang takbo ng puso mo.
Student assistant ako noon, doon ko nakita si Mrs. mag-enroll siya. Si best man, siya yung ka-duty ko noon. So nag-giveaway siya para makuha ko yung number ni Mrs.
Kaya pag uwi mo, agad-agad tumawag ka at yun, sumagot. Sumagot ang tatay niya.
Ang nilagay ko sa form is number ni Papa.
Papa niya yung nakasagot. So after nun, hindi na ako umasa.
Pero alam mo, salamat ka talaga, mabait ang nanay at tatay. Hindi sila yung tipong mga magulang na yung pagiging conservative ay bawal magkaroon ng kaibigan ng anak.
Wake up in the field when the morning comes. Blood on our backs and the brand new song.
Tay, thank you. Tsaka thank you kasi dito kayo sa special na araw ko sa amin ni Princess. And thank you din sa suporta niyo sa amin ni Princess. Palagi din kayong andyan para sa amin. So maraming salamat.
All we are is never lost. You can break my body, but you can't break love. Yeah, lead it to the hollow. 'Cause you can't break love. Lead it to the heartache. 'Cause you can't break love. Lead it to your mistakes. 'Cause you can't break love. Lead it to the silence. Yeah. 'Cause you can't break love. Lead it to the unknown. 'Cause you can't break love.
Let's always choose each other, choose our little family in the making. Like what I said, I don't always say this much, but I appreciate you.
'Cause you can't break love. Lead it to the hunger. 'Cause you
Ngayong mag-asawa na tayo, mas lalo kong pagbubutihan at taos puso kong isa sa buhay ang pagiging mabuti at responsableng asawa, tatay kay Amara. So mahal na mahal kita mula noon hanggang ngayon at panghabang buhay.
'Cause you can't break love.
And your forever begins with the holy sacrament of matrimony right now. Kaya pagkatapos ng kasal na ito, sigurado maraming pagsubok pero kakayanin nyo sapagkat you place your trust in the Lord no matter the struggle.
Always dancing round in my mind, beautiful butterfly. You're perfect in every way.
Thank
There's only one choice I can make. I choose you over and over again.
Ma, thank you so much sa lahat ng pag-help mo. And kay Papa. Yun lang.
I choose you.
Hi babe, this is it. We are both nervous. but let's not let go of each other's hands. See you later, alligator. Thank you.
Slowly floating in the air along a wave of lavender clouds.
Hi, babe. Later, I will call you my wife. Thank you for all your sacrifices, patience, and love. I chose this gift because it is very sentimental that our time together, ups and downs, it reflects how much we need each other, just like my gift to you. Love, your husband.
You